In this video on how to treat your psoriasis and how to heal your psoriasis, I'm giving you another great tool and great understanding of what you need to do to be very specific about how to create the environment for your body to heal. Now, there's many books written about juicing. There's all kinds of points of view about juicing, but I'm going to give you 40 to 50 years of experience, what I found works. Now, there are many types of blenders around, but 3 blenders I recommend are Magimix, the Champion Juicer from the USA, and the NutriBullet. Why do I recommend those? Because some juices, as you put your vegetable through the juicer, right, it spits the juice out and it keeps the fiber in the blender, in the juicer, right? That is not really healthy because you're removing a huge amount of nutrition by putting the fiber behind and letting the juice come out and drink the pure juice, right? That is not a natural way. You're meant to eat this whole. So that's why you put the whole thing into a proper blender like the NutriBullet or the Champion Juicer, because you then get the complete product, the entire part of that. In other words, you get the phytonutrients, which are the plant nutrients. You also get the silica, which is so important. Now, the other thing that people don't realize, my 40 years plus of experience has shown that the gut here requires 38 grams of fiber per day for it to function. And that's what causes inflammation. The more rubbish you accumulate here, the more inflammation you get, and the more your psoriasis gets worse. So you've got to reduce inflammation by putting in anti-inflammatory factors. And one of those anti-inflammatory factors is the fiber in the celery, the fiber in the carrots, and the fiber in the beetroot, right? That's where another additional benefit is. Now, why is that fiber so important? Like I said, to get 38 grams of fiber per day, just to give you a comparison, to get 20 grams of fiber, you need 6 bananas, 6 apples, and 6 oranges. That would only give you 20 to 24 grams of fiber. Now, when you add the celery, or the beetroot, or the carrot, or any matter for kale for that matter, you need to get the fiber to go into the juice so that you drink the entire product. The entire product. That fiber of the celery, for example, that normally goes stays in the machine, you should be drinking that because that contributes towards your 38 grams of fiber per day. And that's when you reduce constipation. That's when you regularly go to the toilet twice a day because of the fiber in there. That fiber is critical for removing plaque, old plaque, and new rubbish being built. So pay attention, see the difference, do the complete product, including the fiber and the juice. And you can also add another factor in there which expel the nutrition and import into the juicer. And I add 1 teaspoon of sel de Guerin, and I blend that as well. And that entirely goes into the system. And when you juice that combination of celery, carrot, beetroot with the fiber and the sel de Guerin, you're getting an absolute fistful of great minerals. Macro minerals and micro minerals, and that's when your healing will take place. Thank you for listening.